Hi, welcome to KSA4. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell to get video notification. Now I am talking about Adobe Illustrator CC 2019 Freeform Gradient Points Lines. Freeform Gradient Points. Firstly select the object, open Gradient panel, apply Freeform Gradient Points selected. Add points on object, apply color whatever you want. You can select the color from this point, color swatches, color picker also is there. Adding another points and applying another colors. If you want delete the points, you can delete the color points here. Can adjust opacity in any points. You can move the point also. Just the spread. You can replace color also. Freeform gradient lines. Select object, use gradient panel, apply freeform gradient lines selected, apply color, add more points. It look like lines. You can add many points. And can adjust opacity and can move the points and can delete the point also. Enjoy the Adobe Illustrator 2019 Freeform Gradient. Amazing feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and on the bell to get notification. Thank you.